Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to unhide all rows. So as example, I will hide at these rows. You can right click, go to hide, and also I will select again at these rows, right click, and you can click hide. The next, if you want to unhide all rows, you can select all rows in here like this, or you can choose sort from these points into here. The next you can right click and then choose unhide. So to be show all rows selected. I will select again at these rows, right click to hide, and then you can click at these rows, right click again and then choose unhide. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to unhide all rows. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.